Mastering indefinite pronouns. Power up your English grammar. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the realm of indefinite pronouns and learn how to use them as subjects and objects. We all know pronouns can sometimes be a little tricky, especially when we enter the world of indefinite pronouns. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll master the use of these handy words. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that do not refer to a specific person, place, or thing. Some common examples include someone, anybody, everything, and nothing. They're called indefinite because they do not define or specify who or what we are talking about. These can be incredibly useful in our everyday communication. When we use indefinite pronouns as subjects, they carry the main action in a sentence. For instance, in the sentence, "Someone left their bag here," someone is our indefinite pronoun subject. Remember, in most cases, we treat these indefinite pronouns as singular entities, even though they might seem to refer to multiple things or people. Indefinite pronouns can also be used as objects. In this role, they receive the action of the verb in the sentence. For example, in the sentence, "I didn't see anybody at the park," anybody is the object. Even though these pronouns refer to unknown or nonspecific people or things, we still treat them as singular when choosing a verb. Here's a pro tip. When an indefinite pronoun is used as a subject, it can sometimes be hard to decide whether to use a singular or plural verb. A rule of thumb is that words like each, anyone, everything, nobody, etc. always take a singular verb. Remember this and you'll avoid many common mistakes. And there you have it. A deep dive into the world of indefinite pronouns. Remember, these pronouns are your friends. They help you express abstract or non-specific ideas, adding depth and flexibility to your language skills. Keep practicing, and soon using indefinite pronouns as subjects and objects will be second nature to you. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your language horizons.